You always want what you can't have, and while you have it.
OnePlus will reportedly launch a OnePlus Nord 2T by May. According to 91 Mobiles, the new phone will succeed the current OnePlus Nord 2 that carries the MediaTek 1200 chipset. OnePlus is planning to launch the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G in India next month. The phone could be called OnePlus Nord 2 CE as per some reports. On the other hand, the company's current flagship OnePlus 10 Pro may launch in the country by March. It is already available to customers in China. Lastly, OnePlus is also reportedly working on another Nord phone that might cost under $270. The Chinese smartphone maker is yet to confirm all these developments. In terms of specifications, we can expect the OnePlus Nord 2T to come with upgraded hardware. OnePlus generally receives better specifications for its T-series phones starting from OnePlus 6T. We have also seen the launch of T Pro phones such as the OnePlus 7T Pro and OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition. The report highlights the OnePlus Nord 2T may come with a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. It is said to be powered by the unannounced MediaTek Dimensity 1300 chipset. Other rumored specifications include a 4500 battery with 80-watt Super VOOC fast charging support, triple rear cameras, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and a 32 megapixel front camera. The report adds that the OnePlus Nord 2T smartphone might cost under $400. Some high-end storage variants, 12GB plus 256GB, may cost between $400 and $530. Currently, the OnePlus Nord 2's price starts at $370 for the base 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant, while the same storage option with 8GB RAM costs $400. The top-end 12GB RAM and 256GB storage option cost $470. There's also a special Pac-Man edition of the Nord 2 that costs $510 for the sole 12GB RAM option. That's the news we have got today. So as usual, fellows and ladies, thank you all for coming in and watching. See you in another video.